So here I am just practicing some spin maneuvers just outside of Paine, Washington. And we'll just watch this replay. So I'm gonna get up to altitude, about 3,000 feet approximately. And then get it level. And I'll pull the power back so we get into a stall. There, we're just getting up to altitude. Okay, so I'm at 3,000 feet. Let's go outside the aircraft and have a look. A look from the outside. So they're pulling the nose up to go into a stall. The aircraft starts to spin, and then I recover. So I lost about 700 feet, which is actually quite good. Try that again. Into a right-hand incipient spin. Now we're going to do a power on stall. Now that goes into a spiral, but I recovered quickly. There's a spiral, what's known as the death maneuver. And that's the end of our spin exercises. Now we'll head back to the airport.